Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel for another Vlogmas video. Today's video is going to be a fragrance haul because my birthday was the other day and I ordered some fragrances from Sephora. I also got a fragrance from Dillard's for my birthday that I actually ended up returning. So let's go ahead and smell them together. All right, the first one I got is Missing Person from Fleur. I got the travel size version of it, and as y'all can see, I already tested it out because I've been wanting to try this fragrance for a while actually, so I couldn't wait on this one. I'm sorry. And I actually have it on. When I sprayed it on my paper towel, I was kind of like, I'm not really sure how this is gonna smell because I wasn't really getting a whole lot from it on the paper towel. But when I put it on my skin, y'all, oh, it's very, very fresh smelling. It honestly reminds me a lot of Warm Cotton from Clean Reserve. It's like a very fresh, clean smelling scent. Like, it's very work appropriate, and if you don't want to have like any heavy fragrance on, like I put one spray on this and I was just like, oh, like this, it's projecting a little bit and it smells really good. So let me read the notes for y'all. It has skin musk, bergamot nectar, sheer jasmine for the top notes, and for the heart notes we got fresh cyclamen, neroli blossom, orange flower, and for the base we got sandalwood, Australia oil, blind wood, and white musk. It's one of those scents that just smell good on your skin. And I feel like when this fragrance works with your body chemistry, you probably just gonna smell a little bit different on you than it is on me, but it smells really good on me. So I'm definitely gonna be using this one. And I also feel like this will probably be a good fragrance to layer with other scents too. But y'all, if I had to rate this one, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I like this one a lot. But I haven't tried any of the other fragrances I got from Sephora. But let's go ahead and try them now. So I also got Prada Candy. Every fragrance group that I'm in has talked about this at some point. A lot of people don't like it. A lot of people do. But I've actually sampled this in the store before, and it wasn't really that impressive for me. But I wanted to go ahead and buy it anyway because they had like this little set that you get. I think it was like $30 or something. So you get like a little mini, which is really cute. And you also get a travel size. So let's try this out. I kind of want to put it on my skin because I haven't smelled it on my skin. I might regret it because I wore Marc Jacobs Oh So Intense earlier, so definitely still smell that on my wrist a little bit. I got the Missing Person on, and I got the other fragrance that I tried in Dillard's today on my skin, but I'm going to just put it on the back of my hand, and hopefully it's not anything too crazy. All right, so where do you actually spray it? I don't see the nozzle thing. Dang, can I just not see? I don't see it. Do you take the lid off? I don't think you do. And I honestly don't want to break it. We just gonna try the travel size instead, because I ain't gonna break this on camera because you're gonna be disappointed. But let's spray this on. I'm gonna spray it on the back of my hand. I actually got on my wrist, but give it a second to dry down. Do we have the notes on the box? I don't think we do. So I'm gonna read the notes to y'all because I'm not really sure what notes it has in it. It definitely has a youthful smell to it. I feel like it's non-offensive, whatever that means. But also I feel like it's not the type of fragrance you want to overspray because I feel like it might bother some people's noses. I'm gonna have to see what notes this has in it because I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like, I'm definitely probably gonna wear it and not return it, but let's see. I'm gonna have to look on Fragrantica so I can see what notes it has in it in particular because I'm really curious now. Okay, for notes, Prada Candy has caramel, powdery notes, musk, benzoin, and vanilla. And oddly enough, with those sweet notes, it doesn't really smell like a gourmand scent on my skin for some reason. Because, like, if I think vanilla 28, chocolate greedy, vanilla cake, like other gourmand scents that I like, it's not really giving me that vibe. Like, it definitely smells sweet and powdery, and you can definitely get the musk as well. But it just doesn't smell like the normal gourmands to me. But if I had to rate it though, I think I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 from initial impressions. And then the other fragrance I got is Alien Goddess. I think this is actually new, like it just came out recently. It's from Mugler, I don't know how to say it. But I've smelled like a few of their fragrances in the store, like Angel Nova. Like I have a sample of it. I really haven't used it, but it smells good to me. And I might end up getting a bigger bottle one day. And the reason I have to travel size this, I just don't like their bottles. Their bottles just don't look pretty to me. But anyway, this scent here has coconut water, bergamot, jasmine, heliotrope, bourbon vanilla, and cashmerean. Not gonna put this one on my skin just because I feel like I have too many on my skin right now. But the travel size is actually really cute. Like I like this a lot better than the full size bottle. So let's go ahead and spray this on our paper towel. I keep saying every fragrance video I'm gonna get some test strips, and I still haven't gotten any. But we're gonna get there one day, y'all. And I was talking to the lady in Dillis about this scent because she was trying to get me to buy it. And I was like, this one actually just came to my doorstep today. Oh, y'all know I love bergamot, and I want that note to be a little stronger on my skin than it is on this paper towel. It's smelling like a floral vanilla. It's more on the floral side right now, but I'm curious as to what that dry down is gonna be like. It's classified on fragrance because of amber floral fragrance. It don't really smell ambery like to me. So I'm definitely getting the jasmine, and I'm not too familiar with heliotrope, but that might be what I'm getting because I'm getting a lot of the floral notes. But the sweetness of the bourbon vanilla is definitely there. Yeah, I'm curious to see how this is gonna perform on my skin. But initial impressions, I think I'm gonna give this a 7.5. I think I might end up liking this one better than the product Candy, but I don't like it better than Missing Person. But y'all know I'm a vanilla girl, gourmand girl, so I'm definitely gonna be spraying that. All right, and I also got My Way from Armani as a sample. I don't really like this fragrance. It's honestly too floral for me. It's not something that I really like. Yeah, I've sampled it before. I really don't know why I ended up getting it again. And I also got Oud Wood from Tom Ford, which I also think I've sampled before. But I'm gonna spray it on this paper towel to see how I like it. I don't think I like it though. Let me just see. It's like, with these little bitty ones, they're taking so long to come out. Oh, is it actually spraying? Oh, definitely. Ooh. I can smell this on a man, but for me, no, it's very woody. Okay, and since it was my birthday, I also got my Sephora birthday gift, which was a little Nest gift set type thing. So I think this is the first thing I smell when I open the box up. I'm actually not sure what's in here. So I know it's a candle in here, but I don't know what else is supposed to be in here with it. But it's grapefruit. I think the candle. Oh, that smells so good. So we got this little mini Nest candle like this. It's very cute. Y'all know black is my favorite color. Yeah, it looks like this. It's a grapefruit candle, which I like. Cause I don't think I have any candles from this. Y'all know I'm a candle girl. I got plenty of candle videos on my channel, but never tried any of the Nest candles. And we got indigo. Is this a fragrance? What is this? This actually is like empty. Like there isn't much in here. I wonder if it like spilled out somehow. Oh, it's like a roller ball. It smells good though, whatever it is, but it's definitely like leaked. Can I report that? Or maybe it didn't leak because we got, oh no. It's a perfume oil called Seville Orange as well. Never had a perfume oil. That does smell good, but y'all know, I think I've mentioned on my channel before that I do like the smell of oranges to a certain extent, but they do tend to irritate my nose. Like anything that's like heavily on the citrus, like more orangey notes, I don't typically gravitate toward just because it just really irritates my nose. But I'm really disappointed that whatever was in here, it seems to have spilled out, or maybe it just wasn't actually full. I think I'm gonna message Sephora just to be sure, because I hate that whatever it is, like you can see, like it doesn't have much of anything in it. And then also I told y'all earlier that I ended up returning my birthday scent, which was Jimmy Choo's I Want You Forever. I really didn't like it on me, on my skin. It just smelled very mature to me. Wasn't anything I probably would have bought if I would have tested on my skin. Ignore my Parmesan cheese because I had chicken parm earlier. But instead of Jimmy Choo's I Want You Forever, I smelled Mont Blanc, which is a fragrance I've seen on TikTok, and I noted that I wanted to try it. And I think I might have even been looking this up today, or it might have been yesterday. And I said I wanted this perhaps. And I was about to get ready to leave the store, and the lady was like, since you're returning your stuff, do you want to try something else? I'm like, okay. So she tried to get me to get the Alien Goddess. I was like, I already got that. She's like, what you like? I like vanilla. And she pointed me to this one. I smelled it, and I was like, oh. I sprayed it on me. I was like, this don't smell like nothing I got, because like I said just a few seconds ago, I don't really typically like orange notes on me, but the orange in this is like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like subtle. It's like sweet, fresh, but you also get that vanilla. Let me tell y'all the notes it actually has in it, so y'all can know what I'm talking about. Like, I've never smelled anything like it. So it's gonna be good to add to my collection. So for the notes, we got clementine, which I definitely smell. You got magnolia, lang lang, peony, vanilla, white musk, and benzoin. And y'all, I got this on my wrist. Like, it does smell really good. Like, I can still pick up that clementine, but it's like clementine and vanilla. Just imagine like a fragrance that's like fresh, but like you get oranges mixed with vanilla. It's a very interesting combination. And when I first saw the notes myself, I was like, I wonder how that's gonna dry down. Like, the initial spray is honestly very similar to the dry down. Like, the dry down is what really got me. Well, the initial spray got me, but the dry down is keeping me because it smells very sweet. Like, I really do like it. And with this gift set, like, it has like the actual bottle. It has like this atomizer, and I guess it's like a little, like a little bag. Let's just open it up together. A little pink bag. I guess it's perfect for like carrying your little travel size fragrances. I'll use this with something. And then you got your little gold atomizer in here, which is cute. Nice enough to go in your purse. Yeah, it's really cute. I make sure. Oh, oh, it's some in here. I didn't know it was any in here. Oh, so I guess it's like a little travel size. Make sure it's actually the same scent. It is. Huh. I wasn't expecting that. For some reason, I thought this was empty, and somehow you have to like pour some of the fragrance in there. Cause oh, if I would have shook it, I would have smelled it. Briuana, what are you doing? Make sure y'all what the bottle looks like. I really like the packaging. It's really nice and sleek. Got the 90 milliliter. Feels very heavy. And this whole gift set was $130. And this bottle is cute, y'all. Look at this. It looks like milk a little bit. They got a little shape on top. I don't know what you want to call it. Look like something you see in geometry, but it's really cute. And can you even see the liquid from the bottle? Because I'm sure that the fragrance itself isn't white, or is it? Because like I'm shaking the bottle, but it's not really moving. But you can tell there's like fragrance in there. I really do like this bottle. It's cute. It looks real fancy. Then you got the Mont Blanc on the top. They too fancy for me, but I really do like this fragrance. And she was trying to tell me a little bit more about this. She said this is like the only women's fragrance they have, I think. But I'm gonna look a little bit more into this brand. Okay, but those are all the fragrances that I bought for my birthday. But y'all know I'll be getting Facebook samples in my mail, and I checked my mail today. I'm gonna share with y'all what I got today. This is actually kind of funny. I only got one fragrance sample today. And of course, guess what it is, y'all? Jimmy Choo's I Want You Forever. Like, Facebook, if you would have sent me this like a week ago before I bought that fragrance, I would have had to go back and return it. Because I would have sampled it and was like, I don't like it. But we got this. So on this little card they got in here, they say the top notes is juicy rose, hard notes, black cherry, liqueur, and base moss accord. And if I would have known like that cherry note was hidden the way it was, I think I would have realized like I don't like it. Because on my skin, it just smelled very, I can't describe it. It smelled very mature on me. I really did not like it. And it might have been because of that cherry note, but I think it might have been a rose note in there too, because sometimes rose doesn't really smell good on my skin. And I think it just smelled like too floral, and it just didn't smell right on me, y'all. But also random samples I got this tea set from Yogi. You got the Sweet Tangerine Positive Energy. You got the Elderberry Lemon Balm Immune and Stress. Might have to use that one tonight because Bree is very stressed right now. And then we got Bioma Moisturizing Rich Cream. Never tried anything from this brand. And then I got Elta MD Skincare. It has SPF 46 facial sunscreen. And you got tinted facial sunscreen. I wonder what that color actually looks like. I hope this little piece of hair wasn't on me this whole time. Got a CoverGirl sample as well. It is the Weightless Water Cream. I feel like I honestly got a sample of this somewhere already, but we not complaining because we love the free samples. But y'all, I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and go back and watch my other VLOGMAS videos if you haven't already, but I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.